Primetime news this evening, Clarendon School and the community in mourning after 8-year-old is shot dead. Pills and edibles, new drug trends among students. Authorities tell administrators to beware. And later, cops respond to backlash for stopping night for reggae icon Tabby Diamond.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Vashon Brown. This is an abbreviated newscast due to our coverage of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. Now we're asking this evening, what's your reaction to the news that in its 233-year history, a black woman, Ketanji Brown Jackson, has been confirmed to the U.S. Supreme Court? Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.